Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error could not load file or assembly or one of its dependencies in Windows. This usually occurs when the system cannot find or load certain assemblies, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to fix this through the Windows Registry Editor. Let's dive right in. Step 1, open Registry Editor via Run. Open the search menu and type Run. Type regedit and press Enter. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow. Step 2, modify the registry to disable cache viewer. In Registry Editor, navigate to this path, HKE local machine. Then go to Software. Next, click on Microsoft and then navigate to the Fusion folder. Right-click on the Fusion folder, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Disable Cache Viewer. Double-click on Disable Cache Viewer, set value data to 1, then click OK. Close Registry Editor and just restart your computer to apply the changes you made, then just wait for it to complete. And that's it. Your system should now be free from the assembly loading error. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Goodbye.